Hey guys, I'm Rishabh and welcome to SobeRish. So, for this drink, we soaked some green apple sour punk in a jar with lots of vodka. And kept it for 48 hours. So after 48 hours, we got this strangely green looking some liquid which smells really good. So now what we'll do is get a shaker and strain this magic green potion into this. This looks so slimy. It's actually quite slimy. The remains of the sour. Okay. After this, the point is to make this drink as sour as possible so that it can have that extra kick. So now we'll pour about 2 lemons in this. Now we'll add ice to this and give it a good shake. So now what we'll do is get a glass and fill it with ice. So now we'll pour this mixture in the glass. And top this up with some Sprite. Okay. So now we'll garnish this drink with some more sour candy because we need that sour attack. There you go. Now place a small straw in this, for instance this. And there it is, the sour attack. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and definitely subscribe to this channel. Until next time, cheers!